All right, language explorers. So let's look in a dictionary, English dictionary, for useful words to learn in English. So let's have a look. Cardigan. Cardigan. Nice one. Cardigan. Noun, knitted jacket. Very useful. Nice to know. Knitted jacket. But let's look at that word, knit. Oh, perfect. Knit. Knitted jacket. Jacket. Let's have a look. Very good. Oh, let's change that. Knitted jacket. Yeah. I have a cardigan. Nice. Simple. Very good. Oops. Don't want that. I have a cardigan. Yeah. Cardigans are, light and cheap. Yeah. Not everyone uses a cardigan. I might use a cardigan when it is cold. Oh, yeah. But when I have my tea, I don't need a cardigan. Yeah, I don't need a cardigan. Oops. Cardigan. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, let's get another word. Useful words. Let's get another one. Let's try rustic. Rustic. Adjective. Oh, let's change that. Adjective. Of or resembling country people. Country people. Of the countryside. Rural, crude, awkward, or uncouth. Rural, crude, awkward, or uncouth. Uncouth. Or people of the countryside. The country, the nature. The town is very rustic. Yeah. Very down to earth. With a lot of nature. Very down to earth. A lot of nature. We like to eat rustic food. My tea is very rustic. My tea is very rustic. How cool is that? I will need rustic clothes for the mountains. Mountains. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Rustic. Adjective. Of or resembling country. Yeah. The country people. Let's get one more word. Let's try precautious. 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 Adjective. Insecure. Unsure. Yes. Insecure. Unsure. Yeah. Likely to fall or collapse precautiously. Oh, no. Take action in advance. Okay, no. Different word. Precaution, noun. Okay, hold on. Noun. Take action in advance. To, say, avoid something. Prevent something bad happening. Yeah, to avoid something bad happening. Avoid. Avoid. Yeah. I take precaution when I put my tea on the desk. I take different precautions. I take different precautions with the tea on my desk. Yeah. I never put the tea over the computer. Always around the computer. Around and away from the computer. Yeah. I keep the tea away from my arms as a precaution. As a precaution. Yeah, so I don't knock it over by accident. It's a precaution. Yeah. Keep the tea far away. As a precaution, I keep the tea far away. How cool is that? Yeah, so cardigan, knitted, a noun, knitted jacket, rustic, resembling countryside and the country people, and precaution, taking action now to avoid something bad happening later. To avoid. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.